we were looking at improving on our ability to upsell and to manage sales in a manner that was more effective than our competition. We wanted to set ourselves apart. That was the main reason why we purchased it. And we did get an initial reaction from a lot of different people that we were competing with when I first saw Aaron down in Phoenix, that everybody was picking up the disc, and I'm thinking to myself, well, I better buy this before they do. So that was one of those reasons. The nice thing about it is that the homeowners, if you're the third or the fourth guy in the room, it totally sets you apart. I mean, they look at the graphics, they look at the display. It's easy for us to show them how a system works with Opportunity Manager, rather than just trying to describe the minutia that they'll never understand. It gives an easy platform from which to spring from, and it allows us to show them what a product like an air cleaner would do for them and benefit for them in a different way. Whereas describing things on a piece of notebook paper and handing it over to a customer, it does nothing for them. All they see is the bottom line. They don't see the quality that goes behind it. Well, recently we've been using it to its fullest extent, which is management. And it's been giving us a lot more information on where our product should be priced at, and it helps us to adjust to a competitive market. It helps us to see where our competition's selling as well. If we get feedback from the customer, if we were too high, too low, right in the ballpark. It helps me to manage my sales staff and go back and say, okay, why are we giving these discounts? I have all the ability and all the power to overcome deficiencies in my business, I'd like to say, through the sales process. It allows me to see exactly what they used, what tools they're using and not using during the sales process, and during sales meetings. It allows me to set up those moments in time where I can say, aha, if you had used this, you would have been able to probably close this a little bit better. With the graphic presentation, you have everything at your fingertips. You can show your customers things. So the increase in upsells has been phenomenal. We average probably 3 or 4 different add-ons per system that we put in. Our systems range, we're averaging probably about $7,500 per system. We're changing out full systems. We're not changing out components like just a condenser. And we're always adding on air cleaners. We're always adding on different things, duct seals, different things that we could talk about during the sales presentation. And that's been the main impact. It allows that ticket value to go up. Having such a nice sales platform that is supported so very well by the staff that created it, and being able to talk to them as if they're sitting right next to you about problems that you're having, changes that you want made. It's all done quickly, and it's all done the way you want it done. My comments to them would be basically, if you want to increase upsell and you want to overcome your competition with a stellar presentation, a good proposal that looks professional, and you want to represent your business as a higher class business, it is definitely the program for you.